Okay, the first thing I do when I come up to a car, I look for damage. And here we've got damage from a previous lockout. And I point that out to the customer, let them know, like, hey, this damage is here. I'm just going to take a couple pictures of it for my records. Just want to let you know. Then I'm going to go to the other side and unlock that car door. So we're going to go on this side, knowing it's not damaged. We're still going to take some pictures, even though we don't notice anything. I'll start with get our bag in there. If we could do it without using the plastic wedge, working it up and down. And we're looking right in there, seeing how far the bag is going in. We just pump it up, and while we're pumping, we're keeping an eye on our molding. And we just want to give us just enough room to get in there with the rod. Nothing more. Now, when we check our rod, one, I set it down on the ground. In front of the customer, I'm going to have them watch me clean it off, make sure there's no debris. But I'm also just doing a quick visual and make sure that all the coating's there. It's going to protect the car while we're in there. Put the tip in, curve it the way the rod's shaped. We got it. Verify it before we pull the rod out. Now, before we open the door, we release the air out of the airbag. Get the pressure off the door and open it up. There we go.
Nice.
Okay, after we're all done, I do a quick visual inspection on the tool because it does wear out. If it wears out and starts showing metal, I can find out now and replace it. And we check over the door, make sure there's no damage. This clip came undone. Not sure if it was previous or not, but you know, it's an easy fix. So sometimes it's easier to fix it than blame the last guy. Oh, all looks good. Make sure the gap's good. Everything looks good.